arrive in style with this Mazda 2010 Mazda 3i Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are stability control, security anti-theft alarm system, phone wireless data link Bluetooth, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone, air conditioning, front, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, airbags, front, side and airbags, front, side curtain. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.